Icon siding is designed to be installed on horizontal applications only. Walls must be framed 16 inches on center to allow for proper fastener placement. For standard installations, install Icon composite siding over a solid, flat substrate with nail holding strength such as 1/2-inch plywood or 7/16 inch OSB. Icon composite siding can also be installed over foam, provided that it is 1 inch or less in thickness and that the foam is attached to a solid, flat substrate with nail holding strength such as 1/2-inch plywood or 7/16 inch OSB. Siding alone is not a watertight barrier. Before applying Icon siding, make certain the substrate is watertight. We recommend the use of CertainTeed CertaWrap house wrap as a water-resistant barrier. Also apply flashing around areas such as windows, doors, other openings, and corners so as to shed water to the exterior.